In this video, we're going to be discussing another G Suite tool, which is Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a spreadsheet tool that is part of the G Suite group of tools. It's very similar to Excel. So to start a new Google Sheet, there are two ways that you can do this. First is from your G Suite menu, where you click the grid at the top of your Google page, and then find the green paper that says Sheets. And this will open a prompt menu where you can create a blank Google Sheets by clicking the white paper with the plus sign or choosing from one of their templates. An additional way to create a new Google Sheet is to do it from your Google Drive menu. If you click the New button, you can scroll down to Google Sheets and it will pull up a blank Google Sheet spreadsheet for you. Let's go ahead and title this Google spreadsheet by clicking the top box and typing. Google Sheets is very similar to Excel and it has the same functionalities. It also has the same functionalities as other G Suite tools. For instance, you can share a Google spreadsheet using the share button at the top of the page. If you click on the share button, it will ask you to enter the email addresses of who you want to share with. And you have the same drop down where you can have them edit, which means they have access to change the document. They can just comment, which means they can view it and then give you feedback, or they can view. As a teacher, if you're sharing this with students, you're probably going to be using the can view option. If you're sharing this with other teachers, you are more likely going to be using the can edit option. When you've selected who you're sharing with, you're going to click Done. Google Sheets also is cloud-based, like all other G Suite tools, and so it automatically saves everything that you do for you at the top. Okay, thank you very much.